G'day guys and girls, welcome back to another video. This is just going to be a easy video, just a car wash. I'll go through the products I use, and it's going to be in preparation for removing the Mountune badges and putting the Revo ones on. First of all, we need a pressure washer. I'm going to make sure that this is working. Hopefully it is. It wasn't working the other week. And then coming through, we're going to use some Gyeon iron for fallout remover on the wheels, some Autoglym Polar Blast, and the Gyeon wheel brush to agitate the wheels, Autoglym ultra high definition shampoo, and always use some good quality clean noodles or mitts or whatever you choose. Got some Bowden's Own detailing brushes. Got these on sale, they're really good. I really do like these. There's different sizes and different bristle rigidity, so you can use it for different things. Just got some cheap tyre shine and some Autoglym fast glass. The GoPro never really picks up very well just how dirty the car is. I'll do a quick walk around. I'm going to take the Mountune badge off, and that's where the Revo Stage 2 badges are going to go. I've got some new gel inlays for the ST badge. They're Revo themed. And from DMB Graphics are the gel badges. That's where I got these center cap badges, so thank you very much. Just a quick walk around. Yeah, the car's filthy. It's unfortunately at the moment I'm in a position where it's parked in the mud and it's parked under trees, so there's not a lot I can do. The other thing I'm interested in is the Gyeon wet coat. It's about 16 weeks now, so it's the end of January 2022. Mid-September 2021 is when I applied the Gyeon wet coat. I've only washed the car about 3 times in that period because the weather here in Sydney has been awful. So interested to see if that actually holds up and if there's much protection or much of the product left. Let's get started with some Gyeon iron on the wheels, and then the Autoglym Polar Blast. On with the Autoglym Polar Blast. Right, so what's interesting is the Gyeon wet coat is still showing signs of being there, and this is only just after the pre-wash foam on the glass too. So it's definitely not as good as it was. I mean, 16 weeks out in the elements 100% of the time, I'd say that's holding up pretty bloody good. So there's still some sheeting, there's still a bit of beading, but definitely ready for reapplication. But yeah, pretty impressive. The last step now is to dry, and for that I'm going to use the Bowden's Own Big Green Sucker. And after the contact wash, you can see that the Gyeon wet coat is still there, doing its thing. So I'm really impressed with this. 16 weeks and the gloss is back, and the water repellency isn't anywhere near what it was in the first week or two, but you can see that there's still something happening. And next time we're going to move on to removing that Mountune badge and the gel badge inlays. Second last step, bit of Autoglym fast class. Simply spray this on and buff it until there's no more streaks. You'll feel your cloth clip up a bit. Beauty. Stuff there, so I like using this one. Alright, go do the rest of the car. Alright, thanks for watching. Just a really quick wash. It's about the 4th time now that it's been washed in 16 weeks. That Gyeon wet coat holds up really good. Really impressed with that stuff. I've still got half a bottle left. I've only used it the once. So yeah, we just got to move on to debadging the Mountune stuff now. Stick around.